Hi everyone, today I will show you how to buy Terareum on DeFi wallet. I will show you how to do it with only 1% slippage. How you can take more value for your money. How you can take few extra coins when you adjust your slippage just to 1%. So I won't say that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made only with educational purposes only. So the starting point here is when you already have a MetaMask downloaded, install it, and of course you have some kind of amount of Ethereum in your wallet. So in that case I have a little bit, but that is enough to show you all the steps from start to end. So now, first thing first, when you have installed everything, when you have Ethereum on your wallet, the next thing you want to do is to go on the top left corner. Here you see these three lines and click there. You have to come here on browser. Why we do that? We do it because we need to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Go down and switch to that plus to add a new browser. Open. You will see the window, and in the search box you have to type uniswap.org. It's very important. Type it right. So when you get there, you hit go and you will see the main page of the Uniswap. Then you go here and go launch up. That's it. And that moment your wallet is connected to Uniswap. The next step is to add the contract from Terareum. Make sure you use only trustful sources. So I will show you here how to do it. I want to mention that I make this only from my phone. I don't use PC. So I have installed the application of CoinGecko, so I will show you how to go there. Now we have to go out from the wallet and we have to use CoinGecko to get the contract. When you go to CoinGecko, you go to the search box, you type Terareum, make sure your typing is right. So we get Terareum, we hit, and we have to scroll down for here. So you see, we need that contract address. So you have to go here and tap one time to get copy the address. It's okay, it's confirmed. Now we go back to the MetaMask, and here when we have select token, we tap here, and then on the search box you have to paste the contract address. So it's showing you Terra. In some cases it will ask you to add manually. Just confirm it, just add it to your wallet, so later when you try to buy it will show it automatically. Choose here Terra and it show it. The next thing you have to do is to choose the amount of Ethereum you will use to make this purchase. So you have two choices. You can add manually or you can use the max bar here. But my advice is to always not use the maximum of your Ethereum. So for example, if you buy for $1,000, switch it from here and make it like for 900. So you have like $100 in case you have to make some other transactions, buy or sell. It's good thing to have extra ETH in your wallet. Just advice, that's it. So in my case here I will tap on the max and it will show me what kind of amount of Terra I will receive. And here is the difference when you buy it with 10 slippage or 1% slippage tolerance. So for 1%, you will get, like I said in the beginning of the video, you will get more value for your money. So how to set the slippage? Here you see that icon, you tap there. Most of the time, especially when the wallet is new, it will stay on auto. So what we have to do is to tap here and just put 1% manually. So I open and that's it. Next thing you have to do is come here and tap one time and then scroll to the right side. So you go to the end of the tokens you have and you have to manually add .99. So in this case, you see I scrolling with my finger, I go to the right side to the end of the tokens and manually will add 0.99. Then done. And it's ready to go. You can go and swap for 1% slippage. If by any chance you want to adjust the amount of ether, so make sure that after you make some adjustments, you come back here and repeat the process. Tap one time, then go straight to the right and add it 0.99, because every time when you change the value of the ether, this 0.99 which we add manually, it disappears. So you have to repeat the process. So it's ready to go. You can see now you have active confirm swap. You tap it one time and here you can see the gas price, which will cost in that case $90. If you're satisfied with the gas fees you will pay, you can go and switch confirm. If you're not, of course, you can reject it. And in few seconds you can try again. My advice is to try interact with that when the gas fees are low, when the network is not so much busy, so you can get very good deals. So now I hit reject, I hit here the X, and you see it's changing. So we try again, swap, confirm swap, and then we see what will be the total amount again. You have options. You can accept it or reject it. In that case, if you are okay with the gas fee and you want to make the purchase, you just hit confirm. And that's it. And the transaction will go through with 1% slippage tolerance. It's not that hard. So guys, I welcome you to the Terra family, and you can use this for any kind of DeFi wallets, on Coinbase, on Trust Wallet. So guys, I hope that video was useful for you. Please, if you want more videos like this, please make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will definitely make some more educational videos. And again, welcome to the Terra fam. It will be amazing journey. You can be sure on that.